Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, your happiness warrior is back with another episode from the Happiness channel. As I had promised you last time, every week I am going to come with one tip or a trick that I have learned from different sources about a happy life. This time I am going to bring to you something which I have learned from a book called The Four Agreements. This is written by Don Miguel Ruiz. It's a beautiful small book, but it can change your life. And it did mine. So today, let's go through what exactly this book has taught me. And the technique that I'm going to tell you about, that I'm going to share with you, is very simple. You all know how to do it. That is to love. Love yourself. Love yourself the way you are. Realizing that you are unique. Your unique qualities, that exactly what the world needs. Your journey in life is to ensure you embrace yourself exactly the way you are. When I say you, it means the way you look, the way you behave, the way you live your life. That's the you, and that's the most beautiful you that you can ever make. For now, do not worry about the mistakes you have made. Do not worry about the feedback that you have received from others or what you have thought about yourself by your own standards. Don't worry anything. Just look at yourself in a mirror and non-judgmentally fall in love with that person in the mirror. The person standing there is successful, is courageous, is beautiful, and most importantly, the best version of you. So, what is standing in between you and the successful you, the happy you, the courageous you? Couple of things. But the first thing we need to take care is the magical power that is with you is utilized effectively. Do you know what is that magical power? That's your words. Our words shape our thoughts, like our thoughts shape our words. So, if we use words which are harsh to ourselves, then we go far from the better us. If we use the words which are harsh to anybody else, we take them away from their better them. Words which we might be using casually, we might be telling without much thinking, are so powerful it can change a person's lifetime. I do remember there has been many people in life who have told me very simple things. They might not have meant it at all, but still I remember them. They might have told me the ugly side of me. I was wondering at that point of time, am I really that ugly? Am I really that bad? Am I really that wrong? But you know what? Whether I was or not, I have tried all my best to become that ugly, that bad, that wrong. That's because of the words. Similarly, I am not sure how many people I might have told words without thinking much, but those were harsh, those were painful, and they might have been still sitting in their head somewhere and making them believe that they are like that. So, first thing you can do good to yourself, good to people around you, is to be impeccable with your words. Impeccable in the sense unsinful. with no wrong intention, no harsh intention, even not even the mean harsh. Now it is important to realize that the beautiful, happy, courageous, intelligent, successful you is only possible when the critics are absent. But who are these critics? Loved ones? Responsible ones? Respected ones? And the biggest critic is nobody other than you. If you look back and see all the criticism that you have received so far, have not really helped you as much they have harmed you. Now forget about criticism. These are the same people, your loved ones, the responsible ones, the respected ones, and you have appreciated yourself unconditionally at times. And those appreciations have not helped you as much as they have harmed you. You need the help, encouragement, motivation, but not the appreciation. You need their advice, feedback, suggestion, but not criticism. So, the biggest learning is that do not take criticism or appreciations personally. If anybody criticizes you about anything, the way you look, the way you behave, the way you talk, do not take it personally. Just remember that they are just stating the state of their mind. If somebody is very appreciative about you, thinking that, oh, you are the best person in this world, don't take it personally. They are just stating their state of mind. They are very happy. It's just reflective of their mood or their state of mind. If we take that personally and take it to our heart, we will suffer for a lifetime. We are such a race, we always like to get appreciations and we want to avoid criticism. So by taking these personally, what happens? You stop doing the things for which you have been criticized and you start doing more of what have you been appreciated. But how right they might be, you don't know. So you may be going in a completely different path than you're supposed to go. Isn't it harmful? Take their feedback, take the learning, but don't take criticisms personally. Analyze yourself. Is it really right? Should I do this? Should I stop here? Once you stop taking criticism and appreciations personally, you will feel better. You'll feel happy. But it is extremely important to stay in the happy state now and ever. But the biggest blocker that can deviate you from this happy path of life is the bubble of expectations. This bubble of expectations have been built through some assumptions. We assume and we consider it to be true. The biggest assumption we make is that everybody knows how we think, how we are feeling, and what we have gone through. Nobody understands this. They are busy with their assumptions and their life. Nobody has time for you. So do not assume. Again, you assume a lot of things whenever anything happening to others also. If you see a small glimpse of their life, you, with your assumption, build the complete picture. And you think you know exactly what is going through them. And many a times that's opposite of what they are really going through. Same way, whenever people see you for a small portion of time, they fill the rest of the gap. And they assume that they create a different story of yourself. And none of these assumptions have given great results. They make you sad, they make others sad, and they make this whole world sad. So we have to Stop assuming. Start believing in what we know. Whenever you have a little bit of unknown, be curious, try to understand. Sit next to the person, ask them what they're going through. Can you help? That will make this world much better. By assuming, you are no way helping this world. So, if I have to now put in points what I have learned from this book, there are four important things. First, be impeccable with your words, which meaning take everything positively, understand there is positive intent, whether it is you or anybody. Do not try to take things negatively, whether about yourself or about anybody else. Second thing, do not take criticism or appreciations personally. Third thing, do not assume. Fourth, practice these three. I know these are very difficult, but very useful. Start practicing, you will find wonders. Thank you. If you like this video and if you like more such videos to be created, please like the video and subscribe to the Happiness channel. And I'm waiting for your comments. Please comment in the comment section. Thank you.